Alright, good afternoon, everyone. It is Monday, March 23rd, 2:25 p.m. here in the afternoon, and not really doing too well right now. Again, it's clear now that, right, I went over that nervous system stuff, and I said, okay, now I understand, okay, ventral, sympathetic, dorsal, which, don't really know why that was withheld from me for so long. But now it's just like I don't have an edge right now. And I should have an edge. Oh my god, this thing won't even fucking load now. Oh no. Okay, here we go. Right. Today, I really got tilted and just spam traded. Right, you can see 18 trades. And then I sort of gave it all back towards the end. Like, I was up briefly, right? But then I gave it back, so I just said, okay, I'll stop after giving it back. Last week, I was up, but then I sort of, took some lower quality trades on Friday. 1, 2, 3, 4, boom, gave it all back. So I'm in like this apparently my edge is magically evaporated, and I'm back to magical gambling. So, yeah, it's frustrating right now, but, it is what it is. Here's what I think I need to focus on. If you recall, when I sized up to minis, okay, right, I failed the eval. So, again, I need to understand the probability of... Well, I need to understand what the max sizing I should do. Because I can easily take, 3 losing trades in a row, right? 1, 2, 3, boom. 1, 2. What, last week? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Right. It's so likely that I'll take 3 losing trades in a row. So I need to understand, okay, if I take 3 losing trades in a row, what will it take for me to fail the eval, right? I have to get down to 425, I think, or 450. Right, I have to lose, I think, 600 something from that 100K because I'm on the static. So it's obvious, right? I clearly can't do it on on E-minis, right? Because if I lose 3 trades in a row, I'll lose somewhere between like 600 to 900. So, I guess I can try, like, I need to just go up to 3 to 4 micros then, or 3 to 5 micros, and then go with that. And I'm also just not trading as well as I think I should be. I'm sort of giving back the... I'm not really up that much, and I'm giving it back. Like, I'll be up like $100, or like 100, 200, right? When I think I should be up like 300 to 400 on the week. But I mean, it could be a psychology. Like, I think realistically, trading micros, I should be able to make like $100 to $200 a day on trading like 1 micro on the NASDAQ. So, again, I'm having a hard time with the let's get this over with mentality. So I think that's just what's making it difficult. Because as you can see today, right? Today was a overtrade spam, but like I kind of had enough of an edge, and I guess because I do all this try hard nervous system bullshit. Like literally, hold on, give me 1 second. I'm going on this walk, taking my supplements. I literally went and stood barefoot on the fucking grass this morning. And, taking the shower in the dark. This shit is just getting so fucking annoying. Like, I was able to play all these video games, but I'm magically gambling. It's like a fucking spell has been cast on everyone. But yeah, just kind of disappointing that I ended flat. So again, I really just need to find how many micros I could do, and then I think what I need to do is do a size up to like 3 to 4 micros. Okay, and then once I hit 3 losses in a row, call it for that day, right? Because so let's say I were to take 3 micros, and I lost the first trade, I'd probably lose like $120, right? Between like 120 and 160, somewhere around that estimate. And then I take, that's trade 1, okay, and then trade 2, another same deal, another like 120, 160. So that puts me at minus 320. And then so if I were to lose minus 320, that would put my account back below 100K. So I basically have to lose like a lot of I would have to lose a whopping 6 trades in a row, which from the data is extremely unlikely. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do 3. So do 3, right? Because we have enough data to understand mini is impossible. Like, I cannot do mini. We know what's impossible, right? We know that's just, waste of time, pure gambling, is trying a mini with this. But, 3 micros is doable, I think. I think it's doable. So, definitely, let's also think about 5 here. If I did 5, then I would lose, like, probably 200, then another 200, another 200. Yeah, I guess even 5 is, I'd have to have like a terrible week. Okay, so yeah, I'll do 3 tomorrow, and I'm gonna try to just avoid the spam trade, because I just got annoyed today. I was like, oh my god. So I'll do 3 today. Again, like this could happen too, where some disaster happens, where I think what happens, I hit that finished auction and then just poof, it went too fast for any type of manual trading. So on that, I would lose, on a mini, that's fucking $1,000. So yeah, mini is fucking impossible. But on 3 micros, that's what? 360, which would be huge, right? That would literally wipe me out back to break even. No, below that. Because right now I'm at I got up to 100,400, and now I'm sort of just stuck at 300 for some gay ass reason. So yeah, I think that's just what I need to do. Like, do a 3 trade cap, right? Because with this win rate I have, you know, I can easily take 3 losses in a row. Okay, so I'm gonna go with, you know, take 3 trades. If it's 3 losses in a row, then I'm done. And then, yeah, I just, you know, like, I should have just made more money today. Like, this price action, you know, I was able to hit 2 good ones here. 1, 2. And then, you know, but then I took, and I think what happened is, you know, I took too big of a loss here, so it really got to me psychologically, right? It was again, it was a lot of the trying to make it happen mindset, unfortunately, where I just kind of want to do this. But it's good to, you know, reflect and think about it here. So again, 3 micros, right? 3 micros is what I'm going to do. Stop at 3 trades, right? So here, you know, that would have worked. Let's go back. So today, what about last week? So how would that have done? So I would have done okay on the 17th. On the 18th, I didn't really trade enough. On the 19th, it's possible I would have given all this back. Then on the 20th, would have made money, or the 19th made money. Oh no, I did make, I broke even. So I had no edge, and I took a 4th trade. And sort of broke even. Then the 20th, how'd I do? Yeah, the 20th is when that was when I took, like, I sort of just gave it back. So again, it looks like it's very sensitive. I really have to, maybe even 3 trades would be too many on 3 micros. It's possible I really have to cap it at 2 trades. So I need to do 3 micros. I'll do 2 trades this week, and then next week I'll try 3, depending on how this goes. So 3 micros, 2 trades this week, and then 3 trades next week. Because again, I think what's happening is I am sort of, it looks like I'm in a bit of a sabotage right now, where I'm up, and then I'm starting to give it back, where I'm losing, like, I don't know, 3 trades in a row. That happened today, and then last week. That's why I didn't end the week up last. Well, I basically made nothing. Yeah. So here, 1, 2, 3, 1, and took a bigger one there. So I lost about $1 on 2 micros. So yeah, I think that's all. I think that's all we need to go over then. You know, it's not. It's like it's my. It's not that. It's the edges. You know. Apparently, it's not really there. It's also like I'm sort of overthinking. I've noticed a lot, and I'm trying to wait for perfect entry at times when I feel like the best trading is just pure. It's instinctual. You're just sort of executing. You're not, you know, looking at a million things. Like, I was talking out loud in my head a lot today. Like, okay, there's this, there's that, and then I didn't really see the results I was looking for. So yeah, it's also a tougher market, I guess, because of the bear market here. So, right, if we look at, I'm trying to think. Oh, you know what happened? I think I made most of my money here, right? Because I've been stuck at break even. Yeah, it's I just don't have as again when the market's harder, you don't have as much of an edge. So what happened? I think my good weeks were here, right? I had 2 weeks of really good trading, and then once it started selling off, like I just didn't have the edge anymore. And again, it's not that I wasn't able to make money either. The edge was still there, but it's possible that the psychology is not where it should be. Right? It's like if you think about it like this, I'm not really I'm not underperforming the market, right? Because I basically only gave back some of the gains. But I should be up more. So yeah, let's see. I'm getting kind of thirsty now. Hold on. Okay, sorry about that. Ugh. Oh my god. Yeah, I need to buy a new copper cup. This is not or I think my aunt did something when she washed this or something. I don't know. Yeah, I was letting the water sit overnight, but now it doesn't taste that good. So yeah, let's see what happens here. I think it's a mix of A, some impatience, B, it's a harder market, right? You have less of an edge if you go long. Right, the easiest market is a bull market when you're going long. It's shorting is harder. Bear market long is harder. So, anyways, thanks for watching this, rant and video. Hopefully tomorrow. I don't know when I'm gonna upload again. But I'll do it by Friday definitely. But I think that's it for now. Again, it looks like this. I think I'll just call it here. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.